Hi students, this is Dr. Badrinath and today we will cover the three topics. In a single video, within 10 minutes we can cover nature of the drugs, what is the chemical nature of the drugs, sources of the drugs, from where all these drugs will come, either it is coming from the another planet or from the earth only, like the sources of the drugs. And next one is the concept of the essential drugs are also called as essential medicines. Okay, this concept was created by the WHO. World Health Organization has created this topic. Essential drugs or essential medicines. See, not all the medicines are essential medicine. Not. Whatever is available in the market, we are not calling as essential medicines. In that, only few things, few drugs, we are calling as essential medicine. Okay, that I will tell you. And sources of the drugs. Actually, pig is just like a garden because in olden days, insulin is preparing from the pigs only. There was a insulin was not creating in the lab. Nowadays, with the help of biotechnology, recombinant biotechnology, we are preparing a insulin. But in olden days, pig is just like a garden. From pig only, they are extracting the insulin. Okay, that's why I kept the here. Pig is one of the source of the drug. Keep in your mind. See how the interesting the thing. Right. Now, so we are moving a syllabus as per the, we are studying a subject of pharmacology one, and we are moving the syllabus as per the Pharmacy Council of India. That is a, see here, this is the your syllabus. Nature and source of the drug. So you have to divide this. Nature of the drug, source of the drug. Okay. Next is essential drug concept. This is the highlighted topic that we are going to be covered today within a sweet and short everything. First, nature of the drug. See how the character, how the nature, what is the nature of a person, what is the nature of a drug. Okay, nature of a drug is decided by the chemist. He is the right person to decide. Chemist. So chemical nature of a drug is always discussed by the chemist person. There is a two types of nature of drugs are formed. One is a organic nature, inorganic nature. Organic, just like organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry, two types. Organic nature means carbon is always present. 100% carbon is present. Then we can say it is a organic nature. So all the drugs which are all having a carbon 100%, that is maybe organic in nature, like that we can explain. Here carbon may be present in the inorganic chemistry. Carbon may be present, not always. Here 100%, but here not like that. And mostly covalent bonds are there here. In organic chemistry, covalent bonds. Whereas mostly ionic bonds are present in the inorganic nature. Inorganic, see here, I matching. Ionic bonds, inorganic in nature, like that you can remember very easily. Inorganic, start with the I. So ionic bonds. Okay. Next is mostly in. See here, in is the highlighted. I is highlighted one. In ionic, and as well as see mostly soluble in the water. So soluble in water, in soluble in water, like that you can mostly ionic bonds, mostly soluble in the water. Here it is was the opposite. And if you see the example, alkaloids, number of alkaloids which are coming from the nature, okay, like atropine, morphine, all these examples you have to write in the examination are organic nature only. Digitoxin, glycosides, digitoxin, and proteins like insulin, oxytocin, all these are the organic nature only. Whereas inorganic, metals and non-metals, metals and their salts. Example is a magnesium sulfate. All these are the drugs only. Magnesium sulfate, ferrous sulfate, and non-metals like a sulfur. This is the example. So this we have completed with this nature of the drug. Next is the sources of the drug. From where we will get all these drugs. Okay. See, sources of the drugs, all the drugs, whatever is available so far today, we are getting from this surrounding only, from on the earth only. We are not going to any planet. We are not consulting with the aliens. We are not at all in communication with the aliens to bring the new drugs. Okay, first one is the natural. There is a totally four are there, four sources of the drug. First one is the best source, that is natural source. Naturally, drugs are available in the planet itself. See here, obtained from the nature. Natural, obtained from the nature. Using, we are using the drugs as such. We are not going to modify anything here in the natural source. No modification is done. That is a natural drugs. As such, you are using. Next is semi-synthetic. Semi-synthetic means we are modifying a little bit. That's why the factory is whatever is available in the nature, we are slightly modifying. That's why here modification of the naturally obtained molecules, generally done in the factories. Example is atropine bromide, amoxicillin. All these are done slightly modified. That's why it is called a semi-synthetic. Synthetic means completely in the lab. See here, that's why here you can see the image. Completely in the beaker, completely in the test tubes were not obtained from the nature. Majority of the drugs today are synthetic only. Majority of 99% of the drugs are synthetic only. Completely synthesized in the laboratory, completely synthesized. Okay. Example is paracetamol, antipyretic, aspirin, analgesics, antiplatelet. All these drugs are obtained from the synthetic only. Synthetic. Next is very good. Insulin, I have told the example, recombinant biotechnology. By using this biotechnology, now hats off to the recombinant biotechnology. Otherwise, insulin, it is the biggest problem, because we cannot go to kill all the pigs which are all available for the purpose of insulin. Recombinant biotechnology, that credit goes to biotechnology only. Using biotechnology tools, recombinant insulin, what we are using today is that only. Recombinant erythropoietin that you know. Next, natural sources. We see here you have seen natural, synthetic, that is semi-synthetic, recombinant. Only natural is again classified into plants, microorganisms, animals, and minerals. See, these are all the sources of the drug from the nature. All these from nature only. Plants, opium, like OCD. You can remember OCD. OCD means it is a over cleanliness disorder. Okay, opium, cinchona digitalis, OCD. Okay, here you can remember HIP, 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 animal hip, like that you can remember. Animal hip. Hip means heparin. Heparin we are getting from the leech. Very, very important bits. Insulin we are getting from the pig. Pepsin, not Pepsi. Pepsi is a cool drink. Here pepsin is an enzyme. Pepsin is obtained from the cow. Okay, and minerals, when you come to the minerals, magnesium, aluminum hydroxide, ferrous sulfate, all these are just like nature, from the nature of the minerals. And microorganisms are very, very important source of the, all antibiotics are prepared from the microorganisms only, like bacteria we are using, fungus we are using, and molds we are using for the preparation of it. See, penicillin, powerful antibiotic, penicillin is obtained from the penicillin notatum. See, we are extracting the chemical from the organism to kill the organism. See, just imagine. Streptomycin from Streptomycin gracious. All these examples are very, very important. Now we come to the concept of essential medicine. See, essential medicines means not all the medications are called as essential medication. Essential means compulsory. Also called as essential drugs. This concept was initiated by the WHO, World Health Organization. Okay, WHO definition: essential medicines are those drugs that satisfy the priority health care needs of the population. Majority of the population has to use it. Then only you can say it is essential. They are selected with the due regard of the public health relevance, evidence of the efficacy and safety. That is very, very important. Based on the efficacy and safety, and basing on its cost effectiveness, the WHO will prepare a list of the drugs. These drugs, you can go to the website of WHO and you can download what are the essential medicines, what are the essential drugs. See, first essential drugs list in the WHO was prepared by WHO in the 1977. Okay, next current, at present, as and today, that is the 21st essential drug list was prepared by WHO in the year of 2019. That is a recent update, is a 2019. Okay, now WHO is preparing essential drug list separately for the adults, essential drugs list for separately for the children's. Very, very important. You can download directly from the, in the interviews and all, they will ask you either it is essential drug or non-essential drug. Okay, not all medicines are essential medicines. Don't never think. WHO has a criteria. It has a criteria. I will show you in the next slide. That is the last slide. Criteria for the drugs as essential medicine. I will tell you what is that. See here, model list of essential medicines prepared by the WHO. 43 years of the history, they having a WHO. 2,922 committees were decided to select this essential medicine, not by the single committee. And 554 medicines are there. 554 medicines, essential medicines. Okay, it covers this 554 medicines, covers the 379 diseases. Okay, and non also electronic. Okay, now it is also available in the electronic form also. Yeah, this is a criteria. Oh, see, all the drugs which has proven efficacy and safety, all the drugs having a what is it, cost effectiveness, adequate, the drugs must have adequate scientific data and evidence in the variety of the test, assured quality, stability is very, very important. That's why we are conducting a stability studies in the Sotix. Stability, bioavailability, even after the storage also. And the favorable cost effectiveness, it must be cheaper as possible. Otherwise, the public cannot use. Desirable pharmacokinetic properties like absorption, distribution, it must be good absorption, good distribution, and patterns of its action on the prevalent diseases. Based on all these criteria, all these points are very, very important. WHO will select the list of the medication. So I will end my session here. Okay, so keep watching my channel playlist. There you can see all my videos subject wise.